Hey everybody, it's Kelly from My Soulful Home. I want to welcome all the new subscribers. Thanks so much. Give me a thumbs up if you're a new subscriber, or better yet, leave a comment so we can get to know each other a little bit. And welcome back to everybody. Today we're going to take another home tour around my neighborhood because everybody loved the first one so much. And we're going to end up at the Wrigley Mansion, which is the HQ for the Tournament of Roses parade. And the Rose Garden is in full bloom. We have so many beautiful houses for you guys to stalk with me today. I mean, enjoy with me today. And speaking of enjoying, everybody seems to be enjoying the decorating lesson videos that we're doing. So, hey, check out my podcast in between those videos or in addition to those videos. I've got tons of decorating tips, advice, lessons, and tricks. So, I'm going to put the link in the description of this video and check it out. Okay, you guys ready? I'm going to get the dogs and then we're going to head out. I hope you guys enjoyed the walk. I loved it. I love sharing my neighborhood with you. And if you're enjoying these videos or our other videos, please subscribe. And I want you to check out another YouTube channel that's really great. It's Old World Home. Hilary over there is fantastic. She's got tons of videos. You're going to love touring around her house. And I'm going to put the link to her channel below. So go over and say hey to Hilary and let her know that Kelly sent you. Thanks again and see you soon.